LDS members are discouraged from supporting or affiliating with anything contrary to LDS doctrine. The American Psychological Association estimates that we are exposed to 14,000 sexual references and innuendos per year on television. On television, perpetrators of violent crimes, infidelity, and other acts of immoral behavior go unpunished a majority of the time. Some might say creating material for media that portrays immoral behavior promotes and supports the behavior itself. This raises the question, should professional artists within the LDS faith take part in creating entertainment media that portrays acts of immoral behavior?
Orson Scott Card, in his article, A Mormon Writer Looks at the Problem of Evil in Fiction, says that showing evil is not necessarily advocating it. He goes so far as to say that there are three types of evil in relation to fiction. First being evil depicted in fiction, second, evil advocated by fiction, and third, evil enacted by fiction. When evil is depicted in fiction, its purpose is to represent life as it is, also as a method of showing the effects evil can have. When evil is advocated by fiction, it is shown in such a way so that people should see evil acts as something that they should do. Another way to say evil enacted by fiction is to say that people go and commit evil acts based off of what they see.
On television, we see shows like The Secret Life of the American Teenager, Mad Men, Sex and the City, and Friends that inaccurately portray immorality as something that can be glorified or advocated. In contrast, in recent television, we see shows like Breaking Bad or Seventh Heaven where evil is depicted but not advocated.
Orson Scott Card said that the worst things in life are essential. Therefore, the things that we need to take away from life can be some of the worst things that happen in it.
In psychology, there's a term called negative bias. This means that negative information tends to influence evaluations more strongly than positive information. In other words, if the bad guy wins, we get mad.
In the Book of Mormon, we see lots of immoral material such as deception, murder, infidelity, theft. We are still advised to read such explicit material. Why then are we not to create it ourselves as LDS artists? Are we then as LDS artists to be held responsible for the content that our viewers and our consumers expect to see from us? And are we also then to be held responsible for the message they take away